Why are you in here hiding from me?
I'm not. I just thought I would do a load of laundry.
Oh.
Since nobody's home next door, so.
Oh, okay.
I'm just pulling out stuff. Okay,
Laundry.
why are these in the wash?
Those are my nice shorts.
No, these are your shorts that are ripping out
No,
in the
they're
butt.
not ripped. That's just a little bitty tear. Leave it alone. I can still wear them. If I put a black shirt on, nobody... Hey!
Those?
Hey!
Yeah, no, you can't wear these anymore. Look. No.
What the hey?
They had a big old hole. Look. Hello. Good morning.
Morning. Cheers.
I
Love you.
Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday.
Good morning.
We hope you all are doing great today, Saturday, August 9th, 2025. We'll start off with our birthdays coming up this week and anniversaries.
Woo! Got a full week of birthdays.
On Sunday the 10th, tomorrow, is our friend Derek's birthday.
Yeah!
Yep.
Happy birthday, Derek.
Yes. On Monday is our little Kaylee's anniversary, 11 years with us.
Wow.
Our Kaylee's been with us 11 years, so she has been traveling with us the whole time.
Yep.
Yep. And then on Tuesday,
Oh,
the 12th, it's our buddy Gary Greenberg's birthday. Happy birthday, Gary.
Yeah.
He has been in previous videos.
Yeah.
We should start a Gary and Bruce playlist.
Yes, we
so
should.
when we talk about them, we can send you guys to that playlist.
Happy birthday, Gary.
Happy birthday, Gary.
I love you.
We love you. You're my honey.
Love you too, Derek.
Yeah.
Of course I do.
And Kaylee. And then next Friday,
A special super duper birthday on Friday the 15th.
it's my baby sister Wendy's birthday. Wendy, who is so wonderful with our brother-in-law Kevin that let us stay here every summer. It's our 6th summer here.
They are incredible, awesome. Wendy. We love you so much.
We do. Happy birthday, baby girl. So that wraps up our birthdays and anniversaries for this upcoming week. If we missed you, send us an email
or
put a comment in below and we'll add it to our calendar.
Let us know and you'll get it next year.
Next year. Or belated. Sorry we missed you, but we didn't know. Yep. Happy birthday, happy anniversary. So last Saturday after we chatted, you did video stuff, and I booked on over to my son's house, which is just 2 miles away. He lives out here in this valley. And we were helping him do some yard work. So you came a little bit later, but I got there a little bit earlier. And what we were doing was...
Doesn't have any grass in the yard.
No grass. So it's got these rocks. Average size, baseball, softball size rocks. So it kind of does like a little stream. It's where the drainage is in the backyard. And it goes from on the sides and across the backyard. It's not a big yard. But when we originally put those down, and I helped him do that a few years ago, we didn't put down the weed cloth to keep the weeds from coming up. He was recommended not to do that. We won't say who. It wasn't me, but it wasn't him. But anyway, he's been having a heck of a time keeping the weeds down. And I help pull them. Lola helps pull them, and then she throws them up. So we needed to do something. So we cleared out all those rocks, laid down the weed cloth, and then put the rocks all back.
It's a job and a half.
Yeah, it took us all day.
He got out there, I heard him say at 7:30 in the morning.
Yep.
And it was close to
6:30.
6:30, almost 7 o'clock in the evening when we finally finished the job. But we finished the job, and it looks awesome.
It looks awesome. When I was there yesterday with Lola, I was taking some rocks that were doubled over to some spots that there were holes. When we redid it, we kind of made it a little bit wider so we have less of the big river rock.
And if Gary wants to know, yes, I actually did move about 4 or 5 rocks.
No, he actually worked hard. I should have gotten video. Nobody documented this whole thing. We're getting out of practice here. But we were so tired out in the heat.
Oh, it was
What was
crazy.
it,
It was 90.
90?
It was hot.
Yeah, all day long. We
was
tried to
hot.
be in the shade as much as possible. He has one of those pop-ups, and we did keep trying to move it, so
Yeah.
we had some shade some of the time. But it felt good to help him and to get that done.
Yeah.
That's one of the things that we love about this lifestyle, and we've mentioned it before. If we were living in a regular sticks and bricks and had 8 to 5 jobs, we wouldn't be in Reno. We would be somewhere else, and we would not get to spend that time here that we get to now.
RV living and the RV lifestyle really lets us enjoy family and help with issues like that and things like
Yeah.
that. You know, it's
It
just,
would have taken him all weekend plus, because
Yeah.
there's 3 of us doing it most of the day.
yeah.
So we were very tired. And just before we left there, we saw smoke.
Yep, we saw smoke. There was another fire up in the hills, and
Yeah, right along the highway.
luckily
Heading out this way.
they did get it out. It did burn quite a lot of acreage, but hey,
We have great firefighters here.
they did a good job. Got rid of it.
Yep. And the very next day, there were
2 more fires.
2 more, all in our area.
Yeah.
So the first one, it hasn't been confirmed, but they were saying it was like a homeless encampment up on the hill in a little ravine. And they said that that's what started that one. The other one was a truck trying to do off-roading, and it got stuck and must have severed something, and it caught fire, and that's what caught fire behind us on the hill. And then the other one was over kind of near RJ's house.
Yeah.
And who knows how that started, off-road vehicles, people shooting, but they got that one done very quickly. So,
And not that people shoot people.
no.
Target practice up in the hills.
Yeah, up in the hills, yes.
So-
Well, we don't,
They do that a lot around
we're
here.
not for sure of the details, but anyway. Those
And
are just-
then we came back, or we were here, and Kevin and I installed a brand new tonneau cover on Ito, because the old one that has been on it since we've owned it since 2014, and I'm assuming they put that sucker on there
probably right away.
probably right away when it was a brand new
Pretty-
truck in
pretty
2000, 2001. It split right in 2. It's so old.
Dude, it fell apart. And we've been holding it together with Gorilla Tape
Oh.
for months.
But we got a brand new one, and we installed it, and it looks so nice.
Yep, you and Kevin installed it, and then I helped kind of finish
Yeah.
up the next day.
Yep.
But for Mother's Day, I got a gift card for Walmart from our daughter and son-in-law, and I bought a food dehydrator. And so Wendy and I were kind of having fun playing with that on Sunday morning. Cut up some fruit and put them in the dehydrator.
They're doing
And-
this. She goes and spends money on that when she could have just set them like right out here
Yeah.
in the sun.
It was kind of a stupid purchase, but now I've got Wendy all excited about it. Because I asked her one time, I said, "Are you going to be using that?" And she was, "Yeah, I want to try. Let's do this." And it's like, okay.
It is kind of neat.
It is really neat, and they'll have fun with it all winter long,
And
like
it's-
doing jerky and
It's
all
a
that
very
kind of thing.
it's a very small one.
The thing is, it's not good for us in our full time
No.
because it takes hours of it using electricity, which is fine for them. So I did figure that I would use it here
Yeah.
and not take it with us. But then they can play with it all winter long, do some jerky, and she wants to do some herbs and stuff. So they'll have a good time with it. So we played with that, and then on Monday it was a mom day.
Mom doctor
Mom doctor day. She had her orthopedic appointment for her broken wrist, and they took the brace off, so she's free right now. And I was thinking they were going to have to recast it because she was complaining of it hurting so badly, and it was still pretty swollen. It's like right here and right here, here and here where the breaks are. It's really swollen. And but no, they took the brace off even, and showed the x-rays, and the bone's growing back and it's healing. So good for her. She's gonna be 83. Yeah.
First thing she asked the doctor is, "When can I ride my bike?"
She did. She says, "I'm anxious to get back out on my bike." And he said 2 more months at least. And she says, "Well, it's too hot now anyway."
Oh my God.
That's how she makes herself feel better, that she can't ride her bike. So hey, it's good she's wants to
Yes,
do that,
it
wants some
is.
exercise and stuff. And after we went to the doctor, we went to go eat breakfast, and then she needed to do some shopping, so we stopped at and got her some groceries. So,
Yeah, I don't know what that is.
oh, checked out our new fan.
Yeah.
So on Tuesday, we recorded our Wednesday video. Can't even read my own notes.
If you missed
So-
last
oh
Wednesday's
my
What Up Wednesday,
gosh.
go watch it.
Check it out. It is the coolest thing.
Yes.
I'm so excited. So excited. And we're really going to need it this weekend.
Yeah,
It's
check it
gonna
out.
Get in hot. So we got an awesome new fan.
And there's a discount code in the description of Wednesday's video if you do want to purchase that fan. Okay, just go check it
You'll
out.
want to.
If you
You'll
haven't
want
seen
to.
it.
It's cool.
And then you did laundry. You
I
finally did some
I
cleaning.
did some laundry. Nowadays, it was just like
I know.
one little catch up.
There wasn't that much.
No, we had gotten some shirts and I wanted to get
Yeah.
them washed up. And then I had my Lola lunch.
Yeah.
Lunch with Lola.
Then Wednesday you went back to Mom's.
I did.
Yes.
Oh, I got ready. I went back to Mom's. So she had a lab appointment on Thursday morning early. And I thought, okay, it'd be better if I spent the night on Wednesday night, because early on Thursday morning trying to get into town from the North Valleys is awful.
gosh.
Awful. It was awful that night or that afternoon heading into town. I was in a traffic jam forever. And usually it's the traffic heading north in the late afternoon that's bad. But anyway, so I was getting things ready to go, and had lunch with Lola, and then went to Mom's, and you were learning some more social media
Yeah,
tricks.
just picking up little pointers here and there.
Yeah, so try to make our presence known a little bit more than just on YouTube. So, and you all can help us by sharing this video, and we will get more people to give us thumbs up.
You have to do the thumbs up for the
Please.
algorithm to
You don't-
pick it up.
Right. We really need you to do that. You don't have to do anything, but that's
You
all
have to give us a thumbs up.
we would really appreciate it.
If you don't, we're going to
did.
come looking for you because we know where you are.
Oh. No, we're not scary like that. We're not.
We got comments on the dogs on the last video.
Yeah, and they were not doing this a few minutes ago.
And we were not this close to them, so I'm sure it's pretty loud.
Living in the neighborhood.
Oh, well.
There you go. So anyway, I went to Mom's and
Spent
took
the
her.
night, and then
spent
you went
the
to the
night.
doctor again.
Yeah, and then breakfast again, because of course she had to fast in order to get her lab work done. And then just some groceries, and then it was also Old Lady Yahtzee Day on Thursday. So Mom's friends, they came over. It was at Mom's house this time. It was time for, it's her turn for the Yahtzee. We have fun. And then I came home that afternoon. So as much as Mom wanted me to spend the night again, it's like, okay, I just really kind of did that. I think like last week maybe,
Yeah,
one night
whenever.
only. But she likes the 2-night thing. It just, we get a lot more done. And then yesterday, the chickens, the baby chicks, they are getting so big. They are a month old now. That's all.
They're
they
not
seem,
baby chicks anymore.
They seem like they are growing so fast and maturing so much. So they're not in a little tiny box anymore. They were flying out of it. So they got their chicken coop hurried up because they were going by what they were, the research that they were doing. It's like 8 weeks, whatever. Then you put them outside in their coop. Oh no, these guys need it out now. And now they're like getting out of their little enclosure inside of it, and they just have run of the whole thing. So they're so funny. They're starting their little pair-offs where they just pairing up with their buddies. It's just fun. So I had lunch with Lola again. It was a baseball game.
Hey, guess
Oh my
what?
gosh.
That was a decent game, huh? Cardinals beat the Cubs.
Wow. Okay, now that we've said this out loud, they're going to lose the rest of the series. That just is. I got to work on some card stuff. I got some birthdays coming up. I need to get busy on that. And you, of course, doing some video stuff.
More video fun.
It's his hobby.
More
He
video.
loves doing it.
Oh.
So once again, please go check out this past Wednesday's video. It is about the Ogery camping fan, and it is fantastic. I love this fan. And then this coming up Wednesday, it's It's a Throwback Wednesday.
Oh yeah.
It's
How do we politely say what it's about, or do we?
no, maybe we don't.
Maybe we don't.
We don't. Yeah, we're not
A
gonna.
polite way to do this
Yeah, just go watch.
is about 2 o'clock Pacific time Wednesday. Another Throwback is coming up your way.
Yeah, it's a oldie video from way back.
I
in the
mean, it's
beginning.
one when we first started.
Yes, it is. We forgot to ask you a question of the week last week, so we have a new one this time.
All right. And what we want to know is, you're full-time, you're part-time, you're a weekender, you have an RV. Do you use your RV toilet for what it's supposed to be used for? If there is a campground or an RV park toilet nearby, do you still use yours, or do you say, I'm going to go, I have to go number 2, I'll be back in 15 minutes, and you go up to the bathhouse? What do? Do you use yours, or do you use theirs?
See, on my board I put, do you use your RV bathroom or your campground bathrooms? Showers too, because people will go take showers at the other thing instead of using their own shower in their, I mean, you spend all this money on this RV that has a fully functional bathroom and you don't use it. I mean, we've heard of people that just don't want to use their bathroom.
We use ours all the time.
Yeah. Here at Wendy's though, and
Well,
Wendy and
that's
Kevin's-
different. That's different. That's
That's
totally different from what the question is.
It is, okay.
So, do you use yours, or do you use the RV campground or the park's bathrooms? That's what we want to know. Let us know in the comments below.
Check out bonfire.com for our wonderful shirts that we have, hats. There are cups and
There's
all
all
that
kinds
fun,
of
all kinds of fun stuff. So check that out.
Yep.
Passport America.
Yep.
We have a link below, and also Boondockers Welcome. There's a link below. So we want to thank you all for being here today. See ya.
Take your banner and raise it to the sky.
Hey, we're trying to video here.